In this video, I want to show you how to open text file in Excel. This is very important for streamlining your workflow. So for example, in this very folder, I have raster table, which is a text file. If I double click it to open it, you can see how the text file look like. It's made up of 3 columns: row ID, value, and count. But the way it is, it's very difficult to work with because it's looking clumsy. But the best way to approach it is to open it in Excel to properly display the data. So let me show you how to do that. So open your clean Excel sheet, that is new Excel sheet. Then come to File, click on Open. Then navigate to the folder where you have the text file, and here is it, raster table. So click on it and click on Open. It will bring this page. Select delimited and click on Next. It will bring these delimiters. Check semicolon, comma, space, and if there are others characters, check it. But for this data, these are the things I have. And if you notice, as I'm checking it, is giving me data preview here. Then click on Next and click on Finish. So you can see it. You can see the way it display it, such that I can see the values that are under these very headings, value, and I can see the data or value that are under count. So if you look at it, you can see that it's cleaner here compared to what we have in text file. So in text file, this is how it looks like. But in Excel, you can see that it's properly displayed. So this is how to open text file in Excel for proper visualization. Thank you for watching.